How to enable or disable closed captions plus SDH on iPhone X. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. In accessibility, scroll down again and go to hearing section and go to subtitles and captioning. Here in subtitles and captioning, you can see here the closed captions plus SDH. And on the right side of this, okay, you can see the switch button. To enable the closed captions plus SDH, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. If this enable, when available, prepare closed captioning or subtitles for the deaf and hard of hearing. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled or disabled closed captions plus SDH on iPhone X.